Now I can put the camcorder into the record position so that you can see. There you have. Okay, and now you can see the picture tube is warming up, and there you have the picture. I have only one hand at the moment, so I cannot adjust the focus. And there you can see my room, and there is my desk and the computer. And of course, I recorded a little movie on this camcorder, a little video for you. Oops, and as you can see, the battery is empty, switched off. But anyway, I recorded a little video for you on this camcorder, and you'll see it in a few seconds. But first let me show you. This camcorder still uses the old way of, the old jacks. So it had a very weird plug. There you have it. It seems to be an old standard that that was used in the early 80s when this camcorder was built. I think this was built around 1983 because the VHS-C cassette was introduced in 1983. And I mean, this thing is so old, it's unbelievable. And I mean, it's also unbelievable that it still works. This is still working completely. It's unbelievable. There is the handle, or you can hold it. Now, and for the audio, it has a DIN jack, and so to get the video that I'll show you in a few seconds, to get it into the computer, I had to use an adapter for audio and also an adapter for the video signal. But it works pretty good, and so here is the video that I recorded using my JVC camcorder. Okay, and now I'm recording with my JVC camcorder. You can see my really nice Toshiba reel-to-reel, and this is the focus. It's manually, and it's really complicated to see on the screen if the focus is good. This is my other reel-to-reel right there. Yeah, that's focus should be good. There is the sharp receiver, the cassette deck, and my little Sony. Over there are my Keith speakers. This is a really nice stereo system. The other speaker is over there. And there you can see the Sony receiver, Technics cassette deck, and the Sankyo cassette deck, and on top of it is something I have to make a presentation of. This is a portable reel-to-reel. I know focus is not too good. That should be okay. There it is. Don't have much light over here. And there you can see a stereo system that I never made a presentation of. This is actually my favorite stereo system. It contains a project record player, Marantz receiver, it's a modern one, a Philips CD recorder. There is my favorite cassette deck, the JVC. There is focus. The JVC GR-C1E, 3 heads, 3 motors, really nice tape deck. And below is the Kenwood cassette deck and a Siemens cassette deck. There is the Siemens. There is the focus. Focus is bad. Can't get it good. Anyway, that's the zoom. And there you can see my huge record collection. There is also records, and over there I have some classical records that are containing classic music. And now there is the computer and my new shelf. There is another system that I have to make a presentation of. It contains my my Marantz cassette deck, a Sony receiver, and a JVC cassette deck, a really big JVC cassette deck. And now for the features of this camcorder. Let's try the filter. Now I have it on inside recording, and now is the focus good? Yes, it is. Now outside recording. You can see picture becomes a little bit different. And now sensitivity. Now it's in the up position. Now standard. Gets much darker. Now it's up again. And now for the iris regulator, put it on BLC. There it goes. And now the opposite. Close. And you can see the picture disappeared, so that is a fade in and fade out feature. Now let's try the iris lock button. Nothing happens. I can't see anything that happens. Anyway, so that is pretty much, these are the features of this camcorder. And now I can also see something flashing on my monitor here. So probably the battery is empty. So I'll stop recording now. Okay, so that was the video, and as you noticed, the sound of this camcorder is much better than the sound of my digital camera that I'm using at the moment. And so probably I will use this camera in the future to make some recordings to demonstrate the sound of my stereo systems. But I cannot use it normally because this thing is so heavy, it's unbelievable, really. And so I have always to use a trial part to hold it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of my JVC Video Movie GR-C1E camcorder. Analog early 80s camcorder.